PKP S.A. fully and confidently engaged in the Europe's Rail Joint Undertaking initiative. We understand that an efficient, safe and modern railway system is not only the basis of European mobility, but above all the lifeblood of the economy, carrying strategic importance for the security of the European Union. We aim to continue actively participating in international initiatives, giving an important perspective of Central and Eastern Europe. We believe that only close integration between railway infrastructure companies, operators, and industry, with the usage of science and SME sector achievements, will enable us to build the railway of the future. Looking ahead, PKP S.A. declares its fully support for the continuation of the public-private partnership in the railway sector in the next financial framework. As the management board of PKP S.A., we have decided to significantly increase the proposed level of contribution to research and development activities in the upcoming financial perspective, with the goal of further intensifying the implementation of innovations for the Polish railway sector.